Today, MTD CNC have travelled to Birmingham in Aston to European CNC turn parts, and I'm with Roy Goodwin. Now, Roy, you've just purchased your first sliding head machine, a Citizen A20. Now, what were your considerations when choosing a Citizen?
Well, mainly because the job we'd done before, the machine broke down, we needed something in quick, and Citizen happened to have one on the shelf basically, off the shelf, available. It suited our purposes down to the ground, so we went along that line.
So how did you manufacture these particular components before?
We used to use them on a sub-spindle machine, where one end picked up the other on one end and one on the other end, and because it broke down, we went along the sliding head capacity, and we found it to be absolutely fantastic.
So when you say fantastic, you know, what are the kind of time savings that you're getting from this?
We was getting roughly about 5-minute cycle times on the previous machine. With this Citizen now, we're getting down to just 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
So you've more than half the cycle time.
Yeah. And the other big advantage of going along this way, we used to have to cut the bars in half, so we had 2 bar ends. We now use 1 complete bar, so we've saved on bar ends, which is material cost saving.
Is this because you've got the 3-metre bar feeder?
Bigger bar feeder. We also found out with the tooling costs have come down astronomically. We've got to be 100% saving on tooling costs as well, which has helped along the lines of why we went for Citizen, due to the fact we're using need cutting oil, whereas we was using soluble oil before. It's far superior.
So the particular components that you're doing on here are extremely high volume, and they're a family of parts. What was the transition like from fixed head to sliding head for you?
Well, because nobody's had used sliding head before, we had to go to Citizen for all their advice, which was absolutely brilliant, can't knock them. They've done this as a turnkey operation, so the family of parts, they've wrote the programs, and all we have to do is change a macro, and it's a macro, one tool, and we're away. It's been absolutely smooth as I can imagine.
Well, it looks very impressive. Now, this is the A20. It's a 5th axis sliding head model. Obviously, Citizen have a larger range of machines, more complex machines. You know, through your initial experience now, can you see you investing in even more machines in the future, more complex sliding head machines?
Well, this is, as I say, this is our first sliding head, the first experience we've had from it, and I'm sure we will in future definitely be going along that lines. We've spoke about it before, and I can't see no reason why not. Just a matter of getting the programming, which Citizen have given us all the software to do it. So.
And the programming, I mean, it's been a turnkey package, but you find that quite straightforward?
Yeah, it's not been too bad. We've been able to change over programs. It used to take us before about 2-3 hours to change over between each on the other machine. This one now about 5 minutes. So it's again down to
the setup times have pretty much been eradicated. And in regards to the tooling, you know, you're setting up the tooling in a different manner now. How has that transition been made? Has it been easy as well?
It's been very easy, to be honest, because we used to have to measure tools. We no longer have to measure them. Now we know how to do it. It's easy.
So I can't really find any negatives. Roy, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.